How to fix too many attempts TikTok problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many attempts TikTok problem or error. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to open a TikTok app right here. And if you have tried to log in and see the error that says too many attempts, please try again later. I'm going to show you how to fix just that. So once you face that error, just go to your home page, and actually you're going to install an app. So just go to your app store or to your Play Store and type in Turbo VPN. And just click on this Turbo VPN private browser and install that app. And I have already installed that actually. So I'm just going to go to my home page and open up the Turbo VPN app right here. So this error actually occurs because your IP address has been temporarily banned by TikTok due to your repeated attempt to perform a similar action in a short period of time. So you actually have to avoid that. But if you are currently facing this problem, you're going to fix that with this app right here. So once you open that, just click on this caret icon at the middle and click on allow so that they can add their VPN configurations. And type in your iPhone passcode. And then it will say connecting. Just click on X if you're prompted to purchase a premium. And now you're actually connected to a certain server, and that is actually going to give you a new IP address as well. So that will actually solve a problem or that error that says too many attempts, please try again later. So just reopen your TikTok account and re-log in again, and that should solve your problem on having too many attempts. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.